Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new to this channel, please do hit the subscribe button for more. Ahead of Keenan aka Forbes' funeral, the late fiance's family lawyer later suggests a foul play leading up to Anele Tembe's passing. Tembe's family lawyer believed that aka pushed or threw Anele from the balcony of their hotel room at the Pepper Club Hotel in Cape Town. Reportedly, the letter was written 2 weeks after the Tembes were told that the National Prosecuting Authority would not be prosecuting AKA. This week's National Prosecuting Authority decision to not prosecute AKA comes at a time where social media is breathing down at the Tembes family, accusing them for the murder of AKA. Moses Tembe has released already 2 statements rubbishing these damning social media claims and accusations leveled against them. The family lawyer has ruled AKA to have played a role the night of Anele Tembe's passing. According to the letter by the City Press, all evidence points to Keenan aka Forbes, the faithful night of Anele Tembe's passing. The Tembe also believed that AKA did not attend to Anele, who was alive 20 minutes after she landed on the ground, but instead cleaned the hotel room, which had blood, and then went ahead to party with his friends after her passing. In the letter, the family argued that the National Prosecuting Authority's decision to not prosecute was based on a fabricated statement from the Pepper Club Hotel together with AKA. The call that Forbes made to the reception was made after Anele had already landed on the ground. The video footage that captured her fall record a time that is prior to the call that Forbes made to the reception of the hotel. The evidence in the form of the record of the call and the video footage, which are contained in the docket, were shockingly ignored. The receptionist is easily contradicted by that, reported the publication. The letter continued to confirm that there was no blood stains in the hotel and the scratch marks aka sustained were defensive marks as Tembe was carried on the shoulder attempting to defend herself. What was also ruled as unbecoming by the family was AKA's behavior following Anele Tembe's passing. The rapper is said to have proceeded to party with his friends instead of attending to his fiancée who had just dropped from a hotel balcony. The National Prosecuting Authority confirmed this week to have declined prosecuting AKA over this matter as the case was still being investigated. This says a lot about AKA's matter. There is a lot going on here. I'm not implying anything. I'm not saying anything. Anyways, there you have it, guys. Please do leave your comments in the comment section down below. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more. Like, share, comment, and also turn on your post notification to get notified whenever I upload a new video.